Every day is a fresh start for you. Every sunrise is a new chapter in your life waiting to be written. A sunrise may only last but a few minutes, but its beauty can burn in our hearts eternally. My name is Joy Reynolds from Meditation for the Soul, a haven to experience less stress and more peace. I invite you to become relaxed and comfortable. Close your eyes and focus your attention on your breath, observing the breath and allowing it to relax your body. Breathing into the entire body system, and on each exhale, relaxing the entire body from the top of the head all the way down to the toes. Imagine that you're near the ocean, just before sunrise. Perhaps you're on the beach, or on a hammock, or at a lookout. The ocean is very calm. Most of the water looks very smooth, but you can see small ripples where gentle, peaceful waves roll in toward the shore. Take a few moments here to imagine this scene. Picture all the details of this relaxing place. The sun has not yet risen, but the sky is starting to get light. The air is cool, comfortable, and pleasant. The temperature is the perfect temperature for you. A calm and comfortable morning. Imagine the feel of a slight, gentle breeze on your skin. The breeze blows just enough to move the leaves of palm trees gently back and forth. The leaves of the trees make a dark silhouette against the gradually lightening sky. Imagine the fresh smell of the air, the smell of the clean water and sand. It's a refreshing scent. Picture in your mind the sound of the water lapping against the shore. The sea is so calm. The waves are very quiet, but you can hear them as they move gently and calmly. It's early morning and you're the only one here. This is such a calm, safe, pleasant place. Relax here near the gentle ocean. Notice the sun is starting to rise. You can see a spot of light at the horizon, as if the sun is rising out of the water. See the light growing as the sun begins to rise above the horizon. Small streaks of light shine into the sky as the sky grows lighter and lighter with the growing dawn. See peaceful waves gently lapping at the shore, washing gently onto the sand. The waves are very calming. They are so peaceful, so rhythmic. Watch the peaceful waves flowing like your breath, in and out, in, out. Continue to observe the rhythm of the peaceful waves flowing with the rhythm of your breath. As you relax, you can enjoy the beautiful sunrise. Pink and orange give everything around you a warm glow. The sun has risen above the horizon, still low in the sky. The breeze, the warm early sunlight, the gentle lapping, peaceful waves, softly moving palm trees, all of these create a calm and peaceful place. The sun is shining brighter and higher in the sky each moment. This has become a beautiful morning. The waves become a little bigger, a bit more lively as the breeze increases. Everything around you seems to be waking up, getting ready for a lovely day. Continue to relax here for a few moments, enjoying the peaceful waves. Keep with you the feeling of peace and calm that you had while you were relaxing, and finish off this meditation with a full, deep breath in and a long, slow breath out. And when you're ready, gently and slowly open your eyes and move into your day feeling fully alive and present in this very moment.